Renewing training on LearnHSCNI. Hello and welcome to the Renewing Training on LearnHSCNI tutorial. The aim of this tutorial is to show you how to renew training that has expired on LearnHSCNI. You should not need to contact LearnHSCNI support to renew your training, as all LearnHSCNI users can renew their own training. Okay, let me show you how to renew your training in LearnHSCNI. When you have successfully logged into LearnHSCNI, you will need to click on your name that's in the top right-hand corner, and then you're going to select Achievements. You will then be brought to the My Achievements window. You may need to scroll to find the training record that needs to be renewed, but when you have found the appropriate training record, select the Renew button. Once you have done this, you will then be brought to the appropriate training curriculum where you can renew your training. It really is as simple as that. Again, you should not need to contact LearnHSCNI support to renew your training, but if you have any questions or experience any issues, we are here to help, so please contact our support team. Our contact information is shown on screen. To allow us to process your query as quickly as possible, please include the following information within your email: your full name, your staff number, your line manager's name, and a detailed description of your request or issue. Thank you so much for watching this renewing training on LearnHSCNI tutorial. With the help of this tutorial, you should now be able to renew training that has expired on LearnHSCNI.